All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of break number 11, which is one of the, what they call the cycle, which is one of the 15 card MLB boxes. So we'll check the time January 4th at 6:45 p.m. I'm going to go over to what we'll call the raffle and type live. And we have January 4th at 6:45 p.m. There's the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 5. All right, 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Matt. Spot 7 is your winner. So, Matt, whatever we pull out of, well, your choice. I can open it live or I can send it to you for break 11. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, January 4th, 6:46 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.